Okay, now we just creating the inline CSS page. So inline CSS to design CSS within HTML tag. CSS within HTML tag. This is normal HTML. We don't have any style of CSS. Just we are opening the file. Open it using Google Chrome. See, there are no design. So just I want to create design on that particular paragraph. So how to do this? Just write down p style and color colon red. Why I am writing like this? Because CSS having property colon value. So color is the property. After property we having the colon, then the value is red, and after red we are giving semicolon. Okay, if we want to apply this effect on that particular paragraph, so now how to open? Just open in browser. See, this is in red color. So whenever we want to give the effort in any of the HTML tag, then we have to use inline CSS. So inline stands for within the line. So within line of what? Within line of HTML. So within line of HTML, if we want to create CSS, then we have to use inline CSS. Right? Now we want to create internal. So how to do this? Already we have done internal CSS in our previous assignment. No, this is inline. Within the line we are giving CSS effect. Now we want to create another page for internal. Internal already we have used several times. So now go to view, then syntax, then HTML, type HT, then enter. This is inline CSS, and inline CSS within style tag. You have to keep in your mind that inline always use style ending and closing tag. So there should be our style ending and style closing. So within style tag we can apply CSS. Now we are having two things. One is H1, that means heading 1, internal CSS. We are writing internal. So this is internal. So internal CSS always we have to write within style tag. So various effects within style tag. Okay, now we want to create two style. One is for H1 for heading, that is we are writing color red, and again background color that is our yellow, and we want to create paragraph in a different effect, font family, that is Times New Roman, font size 12 px, color blue, background color gray. So all we have given, that is internal.html. Now right click and open in browser. See, different effects are applied. Here this is internal CSS. Right? Now the most important part, that is our external CSS. So how to do external CSS? In external CSS, this is the most important part in CSS. We need to create two pages. We need to create two pages. One is our HTML page and another is our CSS page. So the effect will come from HTML to CSS. So how to link? How to link HTML and CSS? Sorry, the style should come from CSS to HTML. The main page layout will be created in HTML page, but the style and effects what we need to give on that particular page, that will come from the CSS. So that will be created using the external CSS. So external CSS is time saving method. Why? Because we need not to create several style sheet for each and every page. Just we need to create one CSS separately and just take home page, about page, gallery page. All the styles will be copied from the single style sheet. That is external page. That is most important use of the external CSS. So how to create that? Just we have to create new file. First we have to create HTML. So how to do this? View, syntax, HTML, then external CSS. So now we want to create one heading, external CSS. Now we are taking paragraph. We need to create HTML. We need to create HTML and CSS both. Style will be copied from CSS to HTML in external CSS. Okay, so how to do this? Just need to save the file as external, right? .html. Save. Clear? So now just want to open it in browser. There is no effect, so the effect will come from CSS. So how to link up? Look, watch this process carefully. Just we have to give within the head tag link relation style sheet href, the page reference my style.css. So link relation style sheet, that means we want to relate with the style sheet, and href means hypertext reference with the CSS page. So what is the name of that page? mystyle.css. Now we have to create one mystyle.css page separately. Just want to save it, and in the same location we are creating one style page. So within the style there will be the effect like h1 color red, and this is the paragraph color, that will be green. Just we are taking two styles only. That is our heading, that will be colored as red, and paragraph that will be colored as green. Just want to save it. Just we want to save it. File, save. The page will be mystyle.css. All files and okay. Now we are going to just press F5 for refresh. See, the effect will be copied from CSS page to the HTML page. This is our external CSS. So today we knew how to create CSS page, what are the classification of CSS page, how to use what type of CSS page. Whenever we need to color one single paragraph of HTML, we need not to use inline, internal or external. We need to use inline only. If we want to create effect on several tags like heading, paragraph, list and all, then we have to use internal CSS within style tag. But we want to create several pages. For that, for simplicity or to get to make the pages quickly, we have to create one CSS, and just we have to give that CSS page link at the head section of each and every individual HTML page. So all the effects will be coming from that particular CSS page. This is our external CSS page. This is most important thing we discussed today. Clear? Now there is a process to give the color using the color code. So we are using color and we are typing the name of that particular color, but that is not the rules to type the name of the particular color. Sometimes we have to use the combination of color, like we have to take 90% of red, 10% of blue. So how to create that type of gradient color? So there is a rules of making color like a palette. So that rules is color code in CSS. So how to do this? Just we have to give the color not using the name of the color. Like background color I am giving background hyphen color. We are taking like this way, hashtag 923. So the first position is the position of red, second position is the position of green, and the third position is the position of blue, RGB, red, green, blue. So it means out of 16 value we have 9 part of red. Out of 16 value we have 2 part of green. Out of 16 value 3 part of blue. Right? So this is the combination of color. See how to do this combination of color. This one. So now we have to create is white. See, this is white right now. Now see, this is more attractive, not using the red, but this is the combination of colors that we can use in the color code. Clear? The color code, 3 number combinations as per your choice you can give it. The particular color will come. What color I don't know. That is the combination of color. Clear? Understand? Ahun, Varitru, Subhangi. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel and like it.